Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making dog ice cream and I'm going to be making peanut butter and jelly flavored for Willow, of course. And I have all of my ingredients out already. I even have my yogurt, plain yogurt in my bowl, and my banana, my strawberries, and homemade peanut butter. So I was waiting to do this first. You want to get a pretty ripe banana, and I'm just gonna use a masher. I'm gonna mash it on the plate, but I'm gonna cut it up in little bits first. Yeah, I wanted to wait to do this before the banana turned brown. I'm just gonna use a potato masher and mash it together. Go, that's mashed together pretty well, so I'm going to put it into my bowl with my plain yogurt. There we go. And I'm going to scoop in my peanut butter and mix everything well together. And the recipe that I'm following, which the lady actually made a whole video about it. She had these really cute containers, little ice cream containers that she was using. But there are other flavors as well of ice cream you can make, which is pretty cool. So we'll see how this turns out. So yeah, I'm gonna mix all of this together. That looks pretty good. And now I'm just gonna use the same masher and mash my strawberries together. And the strawberries are already very soft, so actually we'll see how this goes. Don't know if I'll be able to mash these very well by hand. But like I said, they're already pretty soft. But if you need to, you can puree them, and this will be the jelly part of the peanut butter and jelly. So with my masher, I did try using the fork. I pretty much just took it like this and kind of rocked it back and forth, and you can see all the strawberry juices and everything. And I think this is a pretty good amount of puree. So now I'm gonna pour all of this carefully into my bowl, like that. And I'm going to fold it in. We want it to have bit of a swirl effect going on, so it'll look nice. There you go. Don't want to mix it up too much, and it looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna start pouring it into my containers. I don't have super cute ones like the girl does in the video, but these are just as good, and they're a lot tinier because the way that I will give Willow ice cream is, of course, have it in the little container, and then she'll just lick it from in here. But I've seen some people, they will actually take a whole thing and then they make scoops for their dogs, but this is just a lot better. And also I have the lids because you want it closed, of course, in the freezer. I'm gonna try and use this big ice cream scooper here. Willow's all upstairs being very angry. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a pretty big scoop. Put it in there. And that seems like a good amount. I'm just gonna do the same thing with every one, and then if I need to, I can add like extra to make it a little bit more even. But I should be able to make a pretty good amount of ice creams for Willow. And last year I actually made her just like little frozen treats as well, which is really nice to give her in the summer when she comes in from outside. But I wanted to do something different. So this is how they turned out, and they look really cute. I ended up being able to fill 5 of these little containers, a pretty decent amount. And now I'm going to freeze these for a few hours, and then I will see how Willow likes them. So now I'm outside with the ice cream, and it's only been like a few hours since I froze it, and I've been out here for a minute, and you know, even in the shade. This is what it looks like. It looks really good, and Will's very excited. But yeah, it's really nice and frozen. And it's so hot in Texas, you know, just bringing it outside would soften it a little bit. Now Willow's gonna try it. Of course, she loves it. This is how I like give it to her, but I'm sure I could also like put it on the ground and she would eat it. Oh, does it taste good, Willow? She got it all over her face. Of course, Willow really loves it, and it's perfect a little treat for the summertime, especially here in Texas because it's really hot. And even with like the leftover ingredients that I have of like strawberry and the yogurt too, because I always get the big containers of yogurt instead of just the little like small individual ones. But with those extra ones, I'm probably just gonna make her other treats like the ones I made last year that is just in a little mold, and then I can just take it out and give her one when she comes inside. But this could be like a nice like little dessert for her after her dinner. Oh, look at it all over your chin. So yeah, I'm glad Willow likes it, and it turned out really cute. I like the little swirl going on in it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.